If your diesel engine has low power, come over here. Check the intake manifold pressure sensor. Make sure it's not plugged up. This is where it's located on this DD15. Here's one from a Cummins engine. It's located on the intake manifold and they get plugged up often. Now let me show you what I found on this MaxxForce engine. This is the intake manifold pressure sensor which screws into the intake manifold. Check it out. It's completely plugged up. A plugged up sensor like this will not allow your engine ECM to properly calculate your boost pressure, which in turn will give you low power. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.